Well, guys, Vinny here back with another video for this week. It is October. Actually, this month is going to be the 1 year anniversary for Vinnie's trading cheat code. So I got some things planned later on in the month for you guys. And now let's get straight into it. So we're actually on TradingView. This is a trade that I called out, the 17th. It is now October 1st. So let's take a look on how this trade is playing out. All right. So let's go to Euro CAD. All right, Euro CAD, as you guys can see, we are in a downtrend, right? This is our swing high, swing low. Now we're looking for price to get up to our sell zone up here, okay? So I'm looking for price to at least get to this area here or even higher before we look to sell Euro CAD, all right? Reason why I know this is because of market structure. Another reason is because we have our Vinnie's trading cheat code, all right? Price finally broke the HMA here. This red line is the HMA, Hall Moving Average. Whenever price breaks that, usually we get a short-term pullback and then look for price to go higher, okay? Or even price can continue pushing up, just depending on how strong the trend is, okay? Also, if we turn on our CC trend indicator, you guys can see the actual trend here between these two red lines. Let me turn off the cheat code. Between the upper and lower band or trend lines, we're pointing down. So it gives us an indication that we are trading down. Okay. These red lines that you see here, guys, are high probability setups or spikes of overbought and oversold zones where we can see it most likely price will reverse in those areas. Okay. So we do have a reversal here. Every time we get that, price reverses. You got it here, price went down. Got it here, price went down. Got it here, price went down. Okay. And we're looking for price to hit up to our sell zone. So this trade is playing out. Again, we got this trade from the HPS scanner. This is a scanner here. It scans the market for high probability setups. Okay. If it's green, that means you're looking to buy. If it's red, that means you're looking to sell. Very, very simple. We are on the daily time frame, so it takes a while for these trades to play out since you are on the daily time frame. Okay. They play out a lot faster once you get down to the 4 hour, 1 hour, 15-minute time frames. These trades play out a lot sooner. Okay. But since you're on a daily time frame, again, it could take a while before these trades actually play out. So we are expecting these trades to do what they need to do. And it's actually working out for Euro CAD. Now let's go back over here and let's take a look at the other trades that I called out. This is going to be for GBP CAD. Okay. We had a strong push down on GBP CAD. Really due to all the news that was coming out with the government shutdown and some other news that happened. It kept pushing price down before we actually got a reversal. So let's go take a look at GBP CAD. Okay, so GBP CAD, we see that again, price continued to push down. We finally got a reversal point here. Okay, so I'm looking for price to get up to either to this level before we reverse, or even maybe this level here. And we also have a third level, which would be up here. Okay, so we have 3 areas that we can look to take profit in. Okay, just depending on how strong the trend is. Okay, so if I turn on the cheat code indicator, you guys are going to see that we finally broke the Hall Moving Average here. Okay, we're looking for price to continue to push up. So this will be our first area. This will be our second. And this will be our third area before we actually get priced. I don't think it will make it up this high, but you never know. I'm looking for price to get to these 1 or 2 areas before we actually get a reversal to continue with the trend down. Okay. Reason why the trend is down now is because we had a break of structure here. After a break of structure, guys, there's always going to be a pullback. So we're getting that pullback right now on GBP CAD before we continue lower. Okay. Let's go ahead and turn off the HPS scanner for a second. Let's take a look at another pair. It's going to be AUDCHF, AUDCHF. This is going to be a nice little swing trade here. It's actually going with the trend. Let me turn off the cheat code indicator. So you can see that the overall trend is bearish. Price is making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So we're looking for price to create a lower low, looking for price to break this low here. So if I turn on the cheat code indicator, you guys will see that price is outside of the band here. Price is inside of our resistance area. Okay, we did have a rejection candle here this past week. If I go down to the 4-hour time frame, you guys will see a cheat code sell signal. Okay, and also you see some bearish candles happening here on AUDCHF. Okay, so this is our target area. Price reached that area, a little bit above it, but now we're starting to reject that area there. Okay, if I turn on the trend indicator, you guys can see that again, we're still in a 4-hour bullish trend. If you go back to the daily time frame, you can see that the daily time frame, we are in a bearish trend. Okay, we want to follow the trend. The higher time frame trend always wins. All right. Now, I don't expect price to push up anymore. I expect price to reverse from here on AUDCHF. So this is going to be a nice swing trade for you guys to get in and hold it for a while. All right. This is my indicator I'm working on now. It's going to be a stochastic indicator with the moving average, 200 moving average. All right. And basically how this works is areas in the market where we're looking for reversals, we're looking for price to break this 200 moving average here. Okay. So we seen that price broke this 200 moving average here on the daily time frame, and price shot up, as you guys can see. All right. Now we're getting into an area where we're looking for price to pull back. Okay. So that's how you use the stochastic moving average. It gives you oversold and overbought zones. Okay. And then when price breaks that moving average, we can look to take that trade. All right. Again, if price is below the 200 moving average, that means price is moving down. If price is above it, that means that price is moving higher. Okay. So that's how that works. Okay. That will be released sometime this week, actually. So we're going to have 4 indicators. We're going to have the cheat code indicator. We're going to have the HPS scanner, which I'm bringing back. And then we'll have our trend indicator. Okay. So all of these indicators will be for your use. And I'll also have some strategies for you guys that help you with this. Okay. So we already have our GSA strategy. I'm working on a trend strategy at this very moment. Haven't released it yet, but I will be releasing it to you guys pretty soon. Let's go back to our chart here. Let's take a look at NZDCHF. NZDCHF. Daily time frame again. Price is bearish, the overall trend. Price is getting to the area where we're getting some rejection. We also have a CC sell. So we're looking for price to reject this area. Okay. Also, this will be a nice little swing trade. Along with, you see here on NZDJPY, we are getting a signal on the HPS scanner letting us know that price will be reversing soon. Okay. So let's take a look at that. We can see that the overall trend is bullish. Okay. On NZDJPY, we are outside of the band. Here's upper band. So that means we are at an extreme in the market. and we're looking for a reversal, right? We have a extremely oversold area. I'm sorry, overbought, and we are getting a signal to reverse. Okay, so we can be looking to sell NZDJPY sometime this upcoming week. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame real quick. 4-hour time frame, we already have a divergence sell, which is this red sell signal here. Okay, and we are at a higher time frame resistance area, and we have a CC sell. Prices outside of the band, giving us an extreme in the market. Price just now is breaking the Hall moving average on the 4-hour time frame, so we can look for price to continue down, maybe break some structure. And once we do that, we can definitely look to get into this trade for NZDJPY. Again, I trade off the daily time frame. Daily time frame gives me all the information that I need. All right. So let's talk about USDCHF also. I told you guys we were going to be looking to sell that. That finally rejected. Okay, we have a CC sell and a divergent sell signal. This yellow candle that you guys see right here is a bearish engulfing candle. Okay, so this system gives you bearish and bullish engulfing candles. All right, I set them up as a yellow candle for bearish engulfing, and the white candles are going to be my bullish engulfing candles. Okay, so we're looking for a pullback on USD and then we talked about AUDCHF. Oh, CAD CHF. I told you guys to sell that. We finally got a rejection on CAD CHF. Okay. And these are from a previous analysis video that I did, I think about a week or two ago. All right. Told you guys to sell CAD CHF. So those results are playing out as we speak. Okay. Also told you guys to sell CAD JPY. We're finally starting to get a rejection there. Let's go to the 4-hour real quick. 4-hour time frame. We have a huge bearish engulfing candle. Price is looking like it's going to break structure here. So once it breaks structure, we're definitely going to get a pullback. I don't know how far it's going to drop, but we definitely get a pullback here or even up here where we got these previous rejection candles. And then we can look to take price lower on CAD JPY. All right. So all the CAD pairs, like USD CAD, are buying right now. Okay. Told you guys to buy a USD CAD. NZD CAD. Told you guys to buy NZD CAD. That headed up. Euro CAD also finally starting to go up. And GBP CAD is another pair. Okay. So let's go back to the daily time frame. Let's take a look at the CC HPS scanner. And we are getting a buy signal on gold. Okay. So gold may not be ready yet to reverse. Let's take a look at it on a daily time frame. We are extremely oversold on gold. We have a CC buy here. Okay. Price is outside of the band. So we do have an extreme in the market. The next thing that we want to do is go to the lower time frames, the 4-hour time frame, and we are going to look for an opportunity to go ahead and buy gold. Okay. Gold tanked this past week. I mean, really, really tanked. It went from Monday at 1922. This whole week it tanked. Last week it tanked all the way down to 1845. So that was a nice little drop on gold this past week. Okay. But I do expect to be buying gold and for gold to continue lower. Okay. So let's take a look at the daily time frame again. So if we're looking at the daily time frame, we can see that gold is bearish, right? And why is gold bearish? We have a high, we have a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Now price has created a lower low. So again, we're going to look for a pullback, for gold to pull back, and then create a lower low. Okay. Our target area is going to be these lows here. Okay. If price happens to break this area here, and then our next target area is going to be down at this level here at 16.15. Okay. That will be the ultimate target, but we'll see how everything plays out on gold and how this economy reacts to the news that's coming up regarding the shutdown. We don't have to worry about that for the whole month of October, but going into November, that's something we will have to revisit. Let's take a look at the calendar here. Calendar for this week. We do have a lot of news this upcoming first of the month. Okay. I'm looking for red folder news. So going into Monday, we do have some red folder news at 10 a.m. for USD. CAD is bank. The CAD bank is closed on Monday. And then we have some red folder news at 11 a.m. Going into the evening, we have some AUD news at 11 p.m. And then we also have some CHF CPI news at 2:30 a.m. Okay. Going into Tuesday, again, we have some more news at 10 a.m. for USD. And then later on that evening, we have some NZD news at 9 p.m. Going into Wednesday, we have ADP and just manufacturing news at 8:15 and also at 10 a.m. Okay. Going into Thursday, again, we have some unemployment claims at 8:30. And then on Friday, we have some CAD and USD red folder news, non-farm payroll. Okay. So this is going to be a busy week. It should be a great trading week. The market should move this week, definitely. Okay. We should see some nice moves in the market. Again, so prepare yourselves. Make sure you follow the rules. Make sure you're sticking with the trading plan. 4-hour signal, 1-hour break and retest. Okay. 4-hour signal, 1-hour break and retest. All right. So other than that, guys, that's going to be my analysis for this week. We're going to continue to trade AUDCHF for a sell and NZDCHF for a sell. CAD CHF is going to continue to sell, and we will be buying Euro CAD, and we will be buying GBP CAD. Okay, and we'll be looking to buy gold. Other than that, that's going to end our analysis this week. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you guys get the cheat code indicator. Got some exciting things coming down the line. So make sure you grab it now. All right. Thank you and have a good one.